Hello everyone. I, Ms. Bhavna Danesh Munod, welcome you all in Agricultural Development Trust, Shardabai Pawar, Mahila Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. Last period we studied regarding introduction as management as an art, and I gave you various examples. Say also in your textbook, there are examples given of a talented singers, Asha Bhosle. Then they have told about cricket player Sachin Tendulkar. So they told that they have born talent, quality skills. They develop their skills, talent, and then according to that, they manage themselves. So we'll see the next point in the chapter, that is the relation between art and management. So what are the points related to art and management? So the first one is personal skills. Every manager has to handle different situations. He has to solve the resource problems and also human resource with his own style. See, this style differs from manager to manager, and so the result. This is because of the difference in skill set and ability of a person. Now, see, children, we are studying about relationship between art and management. Now, the first point over they have told regarding personal skills. Simple example. Now what they have told over here, manager is handling different type of situations. So with sources also, that is raw materials, say regarding production processes, also is handling human resource, means human labor with his own style. The manager has to handle. Now for example, say in a company there are 10 persons, 10 employees are there. Now from that 10 employees, 4 employees are not doing any work and 4 employees are doing hard work, but the manager is giving salary to all the 10 employees, or so all the 8 employees equal salary, but only contribution of 4 workers are very hard working, and here they are contributing for production. Remaining 4 workers are just sitting, and manager is observing, say, through CCTV camera who is working and who is not working, children. Just I am giving an example. Now in this situation, if manager wants to remove those 4 persons, what he will do? Because he knows that this person are not doing any work, only the 4 persons are enjoying, say they are doing hard work and they are full burden. So at this situation, if from these 4 members or 4 laborers who are hard working and they complain to the manager that these 4 workers are only sitting and just commenting on us when we are doing work, one complaint goes to the manager, and manager also knows that this situation will come. So now manager wants to remove the 4 workers from the job. So what he will tell to the workers? The situation may be manager will not remove the workers, but he will teach them a lesson and he will tell the workers to do the job. This situation can be handled in 2 ways, children. Either the manager will remove the workers from the job, or either the manager will see that these workers will get some lesson, will get some punishment, and then they will come back to work. So it depends upon manager's skill, children, as I gave you just an example of workers. So personal skills, like how you use an ability of person. Now for example, now you as a student, now see, everything is provided to you. For example, now your 11th standard classroom is there. Each subject is taught by the teacher. Notes are provided by the teacher. Everything is taught. But the thing is, in your class, does each and every girl get same marks? Does they have equal percentage? No. Everyone is different because every person's skill and ability of capturing the notes, capturing the knowledge is different. Everyone will study different. Everyone thinking, say theoretically also, to appear exams will be different. They will use their own skills, own talent and write the exams. So depends upon skills and ability you score in exams. Like a simple example I can tell you about your exam preparation. So you use your skills. Now this is the first point. Then the second one is what? Creativity. See now, creativity refers to what? Ability to find new ideas. on one's own to create something innovative. So manager finds out new ways to conduct the activities and achieves the desired goal. He develops new ideas according to the changes in business situation and in business environment. Now the second point will come to children, that is creativity. Now creativity is what? Creativity means using your own ideas, using something new, innovative, different children. So when a manager uses his own ideas, innovative new ideas, he will achieve the goal. He will expand his business. He will increase the sales of the production. He will increase salary also of the labor if the business is in profit. So this depends upon how manager uses creativity, innovative ideas to expand his business. Creativity, something new. For example, now, see, a teacher in classroom. I'll give you a classroom example only. A teacher is there in classroom and she will tell you to draw, say a girl child day we are celebrating in a class, and she gives a task to everyone, draw girl child day theme is there, and you draw according to that. So each student will have their own creativity, children. Someone will do pencil sketching, someone will do it more innovative, someone will do it coloring, someone will have with coloring message also, something innovative. And you all know when an innovative new idea is there, that person will be rewarded in classroom. So creativity means use your own ideas, use your own things, innovative, change new activities, conduct new activities, achieve the desired goal, develop new ideas, and do changes in the business environment so you can be successful. Then the third relationship between art and management is regular practice. Now see, regular practice is there required. Why I tell you to do regular studies, children? So you get more better, be more efficient. I tell you now, study, give yourself 1 hour, give yourself at least 1 hour, 2 hours to develop your personality, to develop your skills. Why I tell? Because when you will do regular practice, when you will do regular reading, you will be more confident. When you do regular studies, you will be more confident in solving the papers in exams rather than having exam fear, children. That's why regular practice is required. So to develop any skill as an art needs consistent practice. So this similarly the manager tries to practice managing the things by using different techniques and skills to get perfection. So definitely this practice enables the manager to deal with different situations, different people and different organizations, children. Regular, how much knowledge you have? Reading is more better. Gain more and more knowledge. Why? So you can become perfectionist, children. Now, for example, if I tell you in Bollywood industry, who is called as a perfectionist? Mr. Amir Khan. If you observed his career from where he is and now his movie, only 2 or 3 years I think so he will release one movie, but that movie becomes super duper hit. So after 3 years he will release the movie. But if you have observed the changes in his acting career also, see how much changes, how much struggling he has done, and he is called now Mr. Perfectionist in Bollywood industry. Why this is so? Because of regular practice. So you require regular practice, children, to be perfect. So these are what relationship between art and management. 3 points we are studying. That is personal skills. You should have personal skills, talent to deal with the situation. See, when you have skills, confidence, you will deal with the situation. You should not run away. Whatever difficult times comes, but you should not run away from the problems. Solve the problems. Solve with your own ideas. Then the second one is creativity. And the third one regarding this relationship between art and management is, children, regular practice. So next lecture we'll study about personal abilities.